In this video, I will guide you on how to fix controller not working in COD Mobile. First, launch open the COD Mobile app, then tap on the gear icon, then click on Settings. Now click on Controls. Here, scroll down and find the option of Enable Controller Support. Make sure that this option is turned on. If it was disabled, enable it and check if your controller starts working. If the controller is not responding, completely close COD Mobile. Now launch open Settings on your device and go to Connections. From here, go to Bluetooth. Now find your connected controller in the list of paired devices. Tap on the gear icon and select Unpair. After that, turn off Bluetooth and wait for a few seconds, then turn it back on. Put your controller into pairing mode and reconnect it with your phone through Bluetooth settings. Once it's successfully paired, launch COD Mobile again and test the controller. If it does not work, open Play Store. Here, search for COD Mobile and make sure that you have updated it to the latest version. If not, click on the Update option. Now restart your phone, then open COD Mobile again and this issue should be fixed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.